Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on a Nut. Yo, if you're laughing at my hair, I'm done with this video. Alright, is you done laughing? Yeah. So pretty much we have like a lunch break. Not a lunch break, a brunch type of thing. Oh, welcome back to Stuck on a Nut. I'm stuck with you guys, I'm always smiling. But yeah, we have a brunch thing. Like I wasn't prepared for it, so like I was supposed to try to learn how to do finger coils and I haven't started as yet. So. So we just got here, pretty nice looking setup. I just saw Carmen. Some people kept saying, oh, where's your grandma from New York? There she is.
Bloody Mary. They call it the Queen's Blood.
So I just got a mimosa to match my hair. Oh,
so you can't buy this and this because
yo, to be quite frank, I've never had a short rib hash, so I had to Google that just now, just to make sure I know what I'm getting.
Oh, okay. Some cream. I should have said that. Some cream.
but not as much, like it can't be too much. But if you decide to just throw ice in it, then what the hell? Yeah,
so I remember in etiquette class they should teach us how to eat bread. Like when the bread comes on the table, you're supposed to pinch it and then add a little butter and then eat it by that. But for me personally, I mean that's crazy. So clearly you got them game heads here. Let me guess, that's Call of Duty, the mobile version. Oh my gosh, and why you rocking over there? 2K? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys are the worst. Oh, look at this. Alright, thank you. Put this right there.
Can I get a plate?
Oh. Yo, oh, looks good. The short rib hash, yeah. All right.
Oh, melt I got.
Get it. What's that, Bonnie?
This is the Aristocrat. It's smoked salmon, potato pancake, and poached egg with sour cream.
Rich.
And caviar.
Yeah, that Aristocrat.
See the caviar? The caviar.
Oh, there's caviar on that? That's dope. All right.
Oh, the movie theater?
Yeah.
I haven't been there yet. I'm gonna go.
Yo, I'm legit on my third mimosa. If you know me, like, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe here. Alright, so yo, the food was great at that place. I can't even explain it. It was really good. Now we're in economy candy because Malachi is still a kid, so he needs to make sure he gets his blow pop. That's your thing? Do your thing, bro.
Blow pops.
Wow, it's kind of cool in here. There's like so many different kinds of candy. I don't want no candy, but I think my mom said she wanted something. I'm gonna check my message and see which one it was. Alright, so I found the chocolates that she wanted.
It's on the bottom part like that.
So we came to the Vaughn store. My aunt is freaking out. But the Vaughns with bees on it. Malachi is getting probably these and that one. I was thinking of getting a white one too, but I don't even know because I always messed them up.